You're welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through an easy step-by-step guide on how to transfer money from Cibc to RBC Bank Royal. So make sure you watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistake, and also hit the subscribe button because actually helps me out. So to get started with the process, so the first thing to do is to access your Cibc online or mobile banking app, then log into your account using the online banking or the mobile banking app. Then from there, you have to navigate to the Interact e-transfer. They select the Interact e-transfer from the main menu. Then after that, you have to add the recipient. So to do this, you have to choose add contact, then enter the recipient name and the email address or phone number, then save the contact information. Then after that, next thing to do is to initiate the transfer. So to do this, you have to select send transfer and choose the recipient from your contact list. Then enter the amount you wish to send, then select the account from which the fund will be withdrawn. Then from there, if the recipient hasn't set up automatic deposit, create a security questions and answer that only the recipient will know. Then after that, you have to carefully review the transfer details for accuracy and confirm the send transfer, and that's it. Find the video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more.